Nathaniel Anderson, I have been wanting to do an IPA just to challenge myself. I don't particularly care for the style of beer, but I only bottle condition, and I've heard so much about oxidation with IPA. Can I brew an IPA and bottle condition it without going bad / oxidizing? So first of all, going bad, the fire is a vibe, isn't it, Mag? Not only that, but listen, I got my hair cut, Maggie, and this is, I went in and I told them, give me the Joe Burrow. And they said, okay. And then just a large lineman came out and sacked me 9 times in a row. I don't even know what that was all about. But back to Nathaniel's question. As far as the beer getting bad, it's not going to go bad from an infection standpoint if you're clean. Just for the verbiage on it, and maybe that's not what you intended. But the oxidation thing is real, and especially with more modern IPA, with all those crazy hop compounds floating around in there, you do want to you want to keep O2 low, and you want to keep O2 low on all the beers you're packaging, right? So this is something that I would suggest for if you want to do bottle conditioning. You're at home or even on the pro side, because sometimes folks are doing like smaller like higher end projects that they're bottle conditioning or whatever, and you're really worried about oxygen because it is a hop forward thing. I would consider using a beer gun and still but using like a gravity feed or something like that. So if you're using a bottling bucket, put your bottling bucket up higher than where you're bottling. But with the bottling gun, you could actually purge that bottle first before filling. I know people will say that the O2 in that bottle will be scrubbed by the referment, and I believe that to be true. But at the same time, if you're really worried about maximum freshness for those really aggressive hop forward beers, that might be a way to go. And then just kind of drop that out of the bottling bucket. You have your priming solution in it. You can just drop that right through the beer gun into the bottle that you have that you've purged, cap it, and then give that a shot. That might be a thing to do with that. So anyhow, man, yeah, I think that's a great question, because I think it's really underrated how much you need to be keeping oxygen out of those hoppy beers in particular. Out of all your beer, but hoppy beer in particular. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you feel as if you got any value out of the video, please like and subscribe. There are also other videos that you can watch. They're gonna maybe be over here or over here. Appreciate you watching.